Okay, so you just downloaded Black Ops 6 Warzone, and here's how you can activate your voice chat. So first go to your settings, then go all the way down to audio settings. Now two different options appear, audio and voice chat. We want to go to voice chat. Then click on voice chat, the second option to enable it first. Now select your volume, for example 50, and then you can select the different types of chat. So proximity chat to hear nearby opponents, then body shield chat. If you took someone hostage, you can hear him speaking for like 5 seconds or the whole time you took him hostage. Then last words voice chat. So if you killed an opponent, you will hear the last words in the voice chat. And down here you can change between different voice channels. So the first option is all lobby. So if you join a lobby, you will hear everyone. Then party only. You will only hear the 3 people you're queuing up with, or only the 2 who are in the party. And down here we have friends only. So if you're in a party of 4 people, you will only hear the 1 friend, for example, and the 2 random people are muted. Then down here you have friends and channels, players from your friend list and players from all your channels are not muted. So select whatever you like the most. I will select party only, do not get annoyed by any weird people. And now you have to select your voice chat output device. So for me it's my headset, and all the way down you can select your input device. For me it's the microphone. If you have a headset, you have to select the same device as on the output device. Up here you can select the microphone level, higher or lower it, and now you can just test it and make a quick in-game. Okay, so this microphone is working right now, and down here you can select between 2 different microphone modes, push to talk and open mic. Please make sure to click on push to talk and select a button to activate your microphone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have problems to hear steps in Warzone, click on this video right now and it will get fixed in a few seconds.